on a daily basis, we typically use the entryway going from our garage into our home, and this immediately turns into our dining room space. So this is the area that we've been using for our drop zone. I loved this bench that I got from Target, but the issue that we've been having lately is that these slider doors, which I love to keep things hidden, have been causing issues with my kids. They kind of fight to get their side of the bench open to get their things, so it's just not functional anymore for us. We have a hutch over to the side, which I will eventually get to and organize, but this is where my husband and I keep our shoes and our socks. One of the main things that I want to do is not only organize the space, but bring in some elements that I think will fit with our design as well as be very functional for our family. So the first thing that I want to put together is this pretty significantly sized storage unit for our shoes and our socks. Okay, let's tackle the beast. This thing is a beast. This is so huge. Oh my goodness. I really hope it fits all of our shoes. The doors on this storage unit were so challenging to put together and adjust, but eventually everything worked out.
Yep, that works.
Nice. excited. This looks so good.
Turn around and show your face. Let me see parts of you.
I got these gorgeous prints off of Amazon. They were a little pricey, but definitely worth it because of the quality. Frames can also be pretty pricey, but I found a couple of good ones from Goodwill and they worked out really nicely.
So beautiful, I can hear you within the silence. We will dance away the gloomy days right here. We are silver line, one of a kind, you and me. Stay close when it rains. Let me keep parts of you. Hand in hand is how we sleep every night. And I will watch you, breath after breath. Hold on, so beautiful.
So I have these really cute hooks and they have numbers on them. They're very industrial looking, so I'm thinking maybe, I don't know, I could put some of this leftover wallpaper on them and perhaps kind of match it to the style that I'm trying to go for in this space now. Covering it up like that, I don't know.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations.
Like the wallpaper, I had a few extra things on hand that I could use in this space. One of them was a tray, then a shagreen Studio Mickey box where I'm going to keep all my makeup, a vanity mirror, and an open storage toy bin to match the rest of the boxes in the cubbies. I also have this beautiful vase that my husband's great aunt made, and I'm just styling it with some fake flowers.
Baby,
I am so incredibly happy with the way this space turned out, and it's so far been very functional for our family. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!